we have Puistokaari, Parkpoken 21 staircase. See here, it's here in Kateaharju Enosen, close to Koivusaari, Kone, and Lauttasaari rooms here in Helsinki has for Uusimaa, Finland. The capacity is 3 persons and 240 grams. We just filmed the stage as AMD here. We got to film only the staircase D after this one here left, and it was also built in the beginning of 1964, turning 60 years old in 2024. Will be expected in the next year, 2023. The super is H12311. Here on this panel it's a wager finish. Should have been on every panel.
Yeah.
5 floors. Also the 4th floor and the ground floor buttons are spare parts.
Yeah. Istuttiin vaikka vais, mutta me eteenpäin pois.
Interesting sounds.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase D and
That's